Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the ultimate hair tool showdown between the Dyson Airwrap and the Shark FlexStyle. Both of these styling tools are making waves, so let's compare their features and see which one stands out. First, let's talk about the Dyson Airwrap. This premium tool uses airflow technology to style your hair without extreme heat, which helps protect your locks while delivering great results. The Airwrap offers a variety of attachments, including a pot barrel for curls, a brush for smoothing, and a pre-styling dryer. It also features adjustable heat and speed settings, allowing you to tailor your styling to your hair type. The Dyson Airwrap is known for its ability to create voluminous curls, sleek styles, and smooth waves with ease, and it works best for all hair types, especially thick or coarse hair. However, its premium price tag might not be for everyone. On the other hand, the Shark FlexStyle offers similar features, but at a more affordable price point. Like the Dyson, it uses airflow technology to style your hair without relying on extreme heat. The FlexStyle comes with multiple attachments, including a round volumizing brush, curling barrels, and a drying nozzle. What sets the FlexStyle apart is its flexible design, allowing you to switch between a blow dryer and a styling tool in seconds. It's a great option for anyone looking for versatility in their styling routine. While it may not be as high-powered as the Dyson, it still provides impressive results, especially for fine to medium hair types. So, which tool should you choose? If you're willing to splurge on a premium option with exceptional performance and advanced technology, the Dyson Airwrap is your go-to. But if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option that still delivers impressive results, the Shark FlexStyle is a fantastic choice. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content. See you in the next video.